I'm super excited. We're starting subtraction today. So we've been working with addition, which is putting numbers together. Subtraction is when we take a number away. Okay, so we're taking a number away. So in subtraction, we start with the biggest number, which is our whole, and that comes first. So let's create an equation together. Let's do a simple one to start out with. So let's do the number 8. Okay? And then we're going to take some away. So for today, we're going to use a strategy called use a picture. So I'm going to start with a picture. So to draw 8 of something, let me think of my picture. I know, I'm going to do pieces of pizza. 8 pieces of pizza. And in math, remember, we draw simple pictures. We don't want to get carried away taking all our time with pictures, right? We want to spend more of the time doing the math. So simple pictures. So I need to make sure that I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. I have 8. So 8 pieces of pizza. And then Silas came along. Silas ate 3 of my pieces of pizza. How many are left? How can I show that with my picture, do you think? If I want to show that Silas ate 3 of those pieces, and in math, another thing is we don't necessarily want to erase the pictures because we want all of our thinking to still be there. Yes, if we erase them, that would show that they were gone, that they were eaten. But how else can we show them in a way that someone can tell we started off with 8? Yeah, like this. Silas ate 3. There's one that he ate. Here's another one, and here's a third. 1, 2, 3. Silas ate 3. So 8 minus 3, or 8 take away 3. And then, of course, we're looking for the answer here, which in subtraction is called the difference. Okay, the difference. What's the difference between these numbers? So 8 take away 3 equals, let's figure out how much that equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 pieces of pizza left. Okay, so I'm going to put a 5 there. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. Okay, let's try another one. Let's see. What should we do next for our equation? Let's do... I'm going to give you an equation and see if you can do the picture for it, okay? I'm going to do 9. So let's start out. Let's do rocks, okay? Because I love rocks. Then you're at a river and you're going to throw the rocks into the river. So let's work on this picture together. We'll do 9. Okay, so we're starting out with 9 rocks. 9 rocks. And let's see, let's say we throw 4 of them into the river. What would we do? What do we need to do to show that? Cross off 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's record that in our equation. 9 take away 4 equals, count how many are left, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 9 take away 4 equals 5. Now, I want you to do a couple like that, okay? You should print out 2 of these papers. Do a couple that are like this. And then I'm going to make it a little trickier down here. I want you to do 2-part subtraction, okay? So you're going to need to start out with a certain amount of something. It could be anything you want. Let's say I start out with 12 cookies, okay? I'm going to put my 12 here because I'm starting out with 12. Okay, so I drew my picture to start out with. I'm starting with 12 cookies. And I want you to, we're going to do 2 separate subtraction parts here. Okay, so we're going to take away two different numbers. So here's my story. I made 12 cookies. Okay, and then I'm going to start with this. Silas ate 3. 1, 2, 3. So take away 3. Silas ate 3. Then I'm going to switch and I'm going to use a different color. Silas ate 3. Dan ate 2. So 12 minus 3 minus 2. I have to show Dan ate 2. Okay. I made 12 cookies. Silas ate 3. Dan ate 2. How many are left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are left. 12, take away 3, take away 2. 12 minus 3 minus 2 equals 7. Okay, I want you to do a story like that, where you take away, start with a number, take some away, take away some more. How many are left? It could be, I saw 11 birds in a tree. 2 flew away. 3 jumped down to the ground to eat some seed. How many birds are left in the tree? You could do, let's see. Oh, I had 8 balloons. 2 flew away. 3 popped. Oh, 3 popped. How many are left? Okay, so that's your work for today. I want you to have 2 papers that look like this. You're going to do 2 equations that are something minus something equals something. And then 2 equations that are something minus something equals, and figure out the answer. And draw your pictures to go with it. Remember, in subtraction or in math, we do simple pictures and then just use X's to show what you're taking away so that we can still see what it was that you started out with at the beginning. Okay, go ahead, get to work, mathematicians.